What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer or share ownership of your files in your OneDrive. So first you need to head over to your OneDrive website by just simply typing onedrive.live.com. After that you just simply need to log in with your account credentials, and after that when you're redirected at the home page, here you will see the option of my file. Simply click on it and then you need to choose the file or folder that you want to share the ownership of, and after choosing here you will see three dots. Simply click on this, and after clicking on these three dots here you will see the option to share it, and after clicking on share, first you will see the option to manage access. Simply click on this manage access option, and after clicking on this manage access option you need to click on the share option, and after clicking on share here you will have multiple ways to share it. So the first option is to simply add a name, group, or email, and then add a message and then click on send directly to send it. And the second way is to copy the link. After copying the link, you can send them directly for the access. So this is how you can transfer your access of your files and folders in a OneDrive to someone. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.